Hey guys, it's John. So in this video, I want to give a 2-month update. So I got the surgery at the end of November. So it's been about 2 months and I want to give you guys an update. So right now, as you can see, my face is mostly healed up. As you can see, the nose tip is still a little bit puffy and swollen. I looked on the internet and they said that it's going to be somewhere around 2 years, maybe potentially 3 years for all the features. So sort of set in. So that's one of the things I noticed is that the nose looks really sharp and really good and pointy initially, but it does expand. But the consensus on the internet is that it will eventually sort of get sharper and the swelling will go down. So we'll just have to wait to see if that's true. Honestly, at this point, I'm a little bit skeptical because it does look really round, and when I touch it, it doesn't feel like swelling. It feels like some kind of hard material underneath. The second thing I want to talk about, the chin feels still really weird. I can really feel the chin implant and I'm just very aware of the fact that there's an implant inside here. It's not as uncomfortable as it was before, but I can definitely still feel it. The stitches inside my nose and on the back of my head have mostly fallen away. So I have gotten back into exercising. I'm about 10 pounds heavier than prior to the surgery. So my doctor says I can wear glasses now. And then one last thing I wanted to mention is that I'm like hyper aware of my nose and just my face in general. The eyes are like very comfortable. I don't feel any kind of discomfort or awareness that there were surgeries done, but definitely like in the nose and in the chin, I'm hyper aware of the fact that my brain is still getting used to the fact that it's part of my body, and I'm just like, whenever I touch my nose or touch my chin, especially like my nose, I'm just hyper aware of the fact that I've done surgery, and it just feels like fragile. It feels like something I want to protect. But yeah, other than that, my life has pretty much returned to normal. I'm no longer feeling any kind of withdrawal symptoms from tramadol, and I'm basically back to where I was before the surgery. All right, thanks for watching.